To add an account, click the My Account tab and select the Add Account button beneath Pay From Accounts. Enter an account nickname and account number. Select an account type using the drop-down and click the Next button. Review the account information and click the Submit button to confirm the account. To edit or delete an account, click the View Accounts button beneath Pay From Accounts. Click the Edit button next to the account you would like to edit. Make the necessary changes and click the Submit button. Click the Delete button next to an account you would like to delete. Review the information and click the Next button. Click the Submit button when you are finished. Deleting an account will stop any scheduled payments made from that account.